Today I'm going to show you a new product that we just launched. This product is a game changer for anyone who does hand tapping and struggles with crooked threads. And this video is sponsored. This product is called the Tap 99X Thread Tapping Bubble Level. It's a brand new invention that just came out. So what exactly is hand tapping? Hand tapping is basically making a thread inside a hole so a screw or bolt can go in and hold tight. You use a tool called a tap, which cuts the threads as you turn it. The key is to keep the tap perfectly straight. If it goes in at an angle, you'll end up with crooked threads and the bolt or screw will not fit right. Let's talk about drill bit sizes first. When you're hand tapping, the size of the hole you drill depends on the size of the thread you want to cut. And that's where the M numbers come in. An M6 tap means you're cutting a thread for a 6mm hole, but you don't actually drill a 6mm hole. It actually has to be slightly smaller. In this case, you'll need to drill about a 5mm hole. First, each M size has its own matching drill bit size, and there are charts that show the correct combinations. Like the M4 uses a 3.3mm drill. If you are still confused, you can just ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini to do the math for you and hope they get it right. So the first thing to do is to take whatever piece you're trying to drill the hole in and clamp it down so it doesn't move around. You can see this piece is sturdy and won't move. And now take a marker and mark where you want to drill the hole. And now grab your drill bit. Now put a little bit of oil on the spot you're drilling the hole. Now you can start drilling the hole. Go slow and don't force it or else you'll break the drill bit. And now clean up the mess. Once you're done drilling the hole, you can get started on the next step. And now just grab your tap and insert the thread. Twist it and make sure it's nice and tight. Now grab this new product, the Tap 99X. This is very useful and I'll show you why. So just take it and place it right on top of the tap. You can see it has a built-in magnet, so it just sticks on. And now insert the thread where you drilled your hole. And then place the tap 99X on top. Begin to slowly turn the tap, keeping it as straight as possible. The goal is to keep the bubble in the center so you know it's straight. Remember, if the thread isn't straight, it might go in at an angle and then break, so keep it as straight as you can. Try to keep the bubble as close to the center as possible. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Also, if you don't do hand tapping, and if you know someone who does, you can share this video with them. They might be interested in this product. All the links for the products I'm using, including the Tap 99X, are in the description. I also added a few highly recommended kits from other YouTubers that you can buy to go along with the Tap 99X. You can go check everything out in the description. And that's it, you're done. You can see it went in perfectly straight on the first try. So you can see this product is very useful for people who do hand tapping or want to do it. You can see the thread looks good and it's not broken. And that's it, you're done. So I explained to you what hand tapping is, how to do it, and how to do it perfect every time with this new invented product. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. The goal for this year is 10,000 subscribers, so make sure to like and subscribe for more, and go check out some of my other videos too.